Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Navya on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society. I would like to welcome you all teachers for the most innovative and successful idea sharing platform ZII AI. In this we will be discussing about the different new and innovative ideas which enables the students to learn joyful and interesting way in learning of the concepts or lessons. Here today we will be discussing on NCERT board subject EVS class 3 topic From Here to There. From Here to There basically talks about different concepts and experiences on traveling through a poem. The main innovative idea which helps the students to revise the concept from here to there that we will be discussing in this video is question bank. Using this question bank, the students will work in a team. At the same time, the question bank, the students will form in a team and they'll start preparing set of questions related to the concept, and also it helps this innovative idea helps the students to learn in a peer learning. This innovative idea gives a hand-on experiences to students to revise the concept in peer learning, where the questions will be formed by the students. First of all, in order to take an initiation in this activity, the teacher will instruct the students to revise the concept from here to there thoroughly, and each student will start preparing set of questions which they come across in the lesson, which they find in the lesson. Now the teacher will divide the class into equal groups, and each group will have one leader where all the other team members' questions will be collected to frame a one questionnaire, kind of a one set of questions by the leader, which makes sure there is no repetition of the question. Then how does questions, the sample questions where the students can form is, for example, what are the different vehicles, the questions can be framed. First of all, the questions can be framed for a short answer or long answer or explanatory answers. The questions need to cover the modes of transportation and travel within the locality and beyond, for a short distance or for a long distance or for beyond distances also. The teacher need to explain to the students. The questions need to cover all these things. Now for example, sample questions which the students will make out is, have you ever been if you would like to travel from your country to other country, what kind of transportation can be used? Answer is aeroplane or helicopter, something. If you would like to, do you think you can travel anywhere on train? Then the students know. The train, in order to travel, it should have some track, a particular track. What is a vehicle which is used in a fire station? In a fire station to extinguish fire. Fire engine. What are the modes of transportation? What are the public mode of transportation? Then the students' answers is bus and other things. What are the modes of transport used in a road? Road modes of transportation. Road as a mode of transportation. What are the vehicles you find? Then they'll start saying that bus, car and all that. And another questions using what is the mode of transport which is used on a sea? Ship, boat. So these kind of questions can be make out by the students, and the teacher will appoint a leader, as I told you, where the leader will make sure that all the questions will be collected and set in a new questionnaire or a new question bank where there is no repetition of the questions. This idea question bank helps the students to revise the concept thoroughly along with the chapter. I hope that if you like the video, please like and share ZII EI. Thank you very much.